How to add McDonald's gift card to app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded McDonald's app on your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app McDonald's and install it. Once completion of installation process, launch the app and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the account or profile section within the app. It might be represented by your name or profile picture. Within the account section, you should see an option for payment method or gift card. Tap on gift card to access your gift card management options. Look for the option to add a gift card or add a card within the gift card management section. Enter the gift card number and PIN. These details are typically found on the back of your physical gift card. After you enter gift card details, review the gift card details to ensure they have entered correctly. Then tap on Add or Save to add gift card to your account. Once added, you should see the option of gift card listed in your account's payment method or gift card section. And there you have it. You have successfully added your McDonald's gift card to the McDonald's app. Now you can easily use it to pay for favorite meals and treats. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily add McDonald's gift card to app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.